Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi. In our last video we saw how we can install this awesome theme to our Windows machine. Let's say you didn't like it for any reason and you want your system to look back as it was originally. So let's just see quickly how we can fix it and restore our system to initial state. Now we need to find system restore. So we will be typing here recovery. And now we will be clicking on recovery. Now let's click on system restore. Click on next. Now from here we can select the restore point. Now if I click on scan for affected program, then we can see the particular program that is going to delete, and here we can see these are all the things that we did. Now we're gonna click on next, and here we can see the system is ready to restore. Now I will be clicking next and then finish.